So these are the bases for my tank cradle. They're made out of Kusa with some chop strand on both sides. I went ahead and cured those out with some gel coat with wax. Now I got to come back and trim these edges, then sand them back down to bare glass, so I'll be able to glue those into the deck with some thickened resin. But I got to get it back down to bare fiberglass so they'll bond correctly. So that's what I'm about to do right now: trim these edges up and sand them down. So because my hull has an angle and I'm building the cradle, I'm going to build a mock-up right here. I figured out what the angle was, cut some wedges. I'm going to attach them to my sawhorses and then bring these up, and that'll imitate the bottom of the hull and give me the same pitch, the same angle, and I can go ahead and build the cradle here on the sawhorses before I actually glue it in. You want to make sure there's some pilot holes in these wedges. Otherwise, you're going to be cutting them again. They will split. And I'll just spruce stud material. Gap between this piece and that piece is going to be 3.5 inches, and right now I just have a 2x4 in there that's going to separate them, but I'm going to actually use a piece of 1x4 so the tank will sit about 1/4 of an inch above the deck, allow any kind of excess water to flow through there, flow between them. Square it up the best I can. Assuming the boat is square, which is probably not. Welding soapstone works really well. Drawing piece of Remember, these wedges represent the bottom of the hull. Yes, actually be glued to the bottom of the hull. Rear view of my spacer now. Ready to set the tank up here. So this will be sitting on the floor, and you can see the gap right here. So we'll give the tank level. As level as possible. And where these baffles are, I'll start adding these wedges in. I want to push down, I just want it to sit just like that right there, right under the edge of the tank. Here. And also thicken resin and attach them once I get everything cut. And I'll come back with some neoprene strips and put on top, so it actually sits just a scooch higher. Those neoprene strips will keep it off of the Coosa board. Off of the Coosa itself. Woo! It's good, another day of it. I hit the point of woe outness. Y'all remember to subscribe. Deep Dive Spear Crew. There's nothing too deep. Y'all take care.